Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit a link on Google Docs spreadsheets. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is hover over wherever your link is, and then select the little pencil icon to edit the link. And then you can go ahead and change the name of the link or the link itself by modifying it right down here. Select apply to save it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.